So, you probably heard that Macworld was today. And the main event was a 90-minute keynote by Steve Jobs, CEO of Apple. Here's that same keynote in 60 seconds.
Well, I've got 4 things I'd like to talk about with you today. Time capsule, a full Airport Extreme base station, and a hard drive. Back up all the Macs in your house wirelessly to one time capsule. $499. Ship in February. Better and better and better. Number 2, the iPhone. Maps with location. Make web clips of your favorite websites. Customize the home screen. SMS multiple people at once. Free software update. Better and better and better. The iPod Touch. Same stuff we just heard on iPhone. $20 upgrade.
Better and better and better.
Number 3, iTunes. Movie rentals. 1,000 films by the end of February. Watch them anywhere. 24 hours. $3.99.
Better and better and better.
Apple TV, Take 2. No computer required. Movies, rent them in HD. $229. Free software upgrade.
Better and better and better.
Number 4, MacBook Air. How thin it is. 13.3 inch, $17.99.
You got a friend in me.
Thank you very much. Incredible, tremendous, amazing, unprecedented, extraordinary, great, revolutionary, great, extraordinary, unbelievable. It is the most successful release ever.